Here's everything you need to know about concrete driveway thickness standards. Here's what you need to know. Passenger cars, 4 inches. Trucks/RVs, 5 to 6 inches. Always use 4000 psi in rebar for heavy loads. Quick answer: residential driveways need 4 inches minimum thickness. Use 5 to 6 inches for trucks, RVs, or heavy vehicles. Commercial driveways require 6 to 8 inches. Moving on to how thick should a concrete driveway be? A concrete driveway should be 4 inches thick for passenger vehicles or 5 to 6 inches thick for trucks, RVs, and heavy equipment. Always use 4000 psi concrete and add rebar reinforcement for driveways that will support heavy loads. Next up, concrete driveway thickness by vehicle type. Vehicle type minimum thickness recommended reinforcement. Passenger cars/SUVs 4 inches optional, recommended. Light trucks under 10,000 pounds, 4 inches 5 inches rebar recommended. Heavy trucks over 10,000 pounds, 5 inches 6 inches rebar required. RVs/motorhomes 5 inches 6 inches rebar required. Let's talk about why thickness matters. Concrete strength depends on thickness squared. A 6-inch slab is not 50% stronger than a 4-inch slab, it's more than twice as strong. For heavy loads, the extra thickness prevents cracking. Heavy point loads from tires can fracture thin slabs. Settlement: thin concrete flexes and fails over soft spots inches the base. Edge damage: vehicle tires near edges cause chip on thin slabs. Here's the deal with why 4000 psi is the minimum standard. PSI rating best for limitations. 3000 psi interior slabs, sidewalks too porous for driveways, fails inches freeze thaw. 4000 psi driveways, patios, garages standard for residential exterior use. 5000 plus psi commercial, heavy industrial higher cost, not needed for residential. 4000 psi concrete is denser than 3000 psi, resisting water penetration that causes freeze-thaw damage. The cost difference is minimal, $200 to $400 for a typical driveway, but doubles the expected lifespan. Now let's look at when to add rebar reinforcement. Rebar adds 2 per square foot but is essential for any driveway supporting trucks, RVs, or heavy equipment. Driveways over 20 feet long, prevents mid-slab cracking. Areas with clay soil that expands and contracts. Sloped driveways where water runoff causes erosion. Moving on to key takeaways. Standard passenger vehicle driveways, 4 inches thick. Heavy trucks, RVs, commercial, 5 to 6 inches thick. Always use 4000 psi concrete for driveways. Add rebar for heavy loads and maximum lifespan. Thicker concrete costs more upfront but prevents expensive repairs. Next up, can I pour a 3-inch thick driveway? Not recommended. 3 inches is too thin for vehicle traffic and will crack prematurely. Most building codes require 4 inches minimum for driveways. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.